Welcome back to the channel, Sani Squad. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sani and this is Sani Kicks. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all some of the best ways to lace up your KD4s. And to make things more clear, this is for like a casual wear standpoint. I know that these are more so for performance basketball, but at the same time, you can get fly in these as well. And the way you lace them up is for sure how you go about doing that. So today, I'm gonna show y'all some of those options that are great to do. And yeah, let's get into it. Hit that like button too, it helps out the channel. So I'm gonna start off from scratch, that way y'all can see exactly how I do it. So for the first lacing style, take the laces and go over, under to start. And I'm gonna keep it fairly loose. I'm not going to tighten it up all the way. And after that, you're going to go under, over, and I'll stop at the next part to show you how to do that. And for this part, make sure to take this plastic part and line it up with the eyelets. Loosen this up just a bit. So now when you get here, you're going to take the laces and put them through this hole. But don't connect it to anything just yet. Now after that, there are loops instead of normal eye stays on the inside. So you're going to try to put those in there as neatly as possible. Make sure the rest of the laces are even, nice and fairly loose. Once everything is good, go ahead and just tie them up. Loosen this up a bit. Then you're going to take the strap, lightly put it across. Now once you do that, you're gonna take more laces from here to loosen it up more and drop it right on top. Now when you tie it, you can make it long, short, however you like, but no matter what, try to make it as loose as possible up here, so that way you can drop it on top of the strap and it gives it a really nice and, you know, unique type of look. And it's really only something that sneakers with a strap can do. And yeah, I think it looks real nice. There you have it, lacing style number 1, the loose tie. Now going from here, I'm gonna show y'all how to do my favorite option. Well, it's tied for first along with this one, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do the loosey-goosey with this shoe. So for anybody that was following along, keep the laces exactly like this. So if you weren't watching at first, go ahead and replay that, then come back here. So from here, you're just going to put the laces in the top eyelet and let it hang down towards the bottom. Not dragging on the floor, but just enough space. Go ahead and even that out with the rest of the shoe. Then of course, do the same thing to the other side. Yeah, that should be good. Make sure it's even with the rest of the shoe. Now this is definitely going to look sloppy when you're doing it like this, but that's why you put your foot in it and adjust as you go, because when you put your foot in, it's going to raise the shoe up a lot more. So that way it's easier to finesse. Take the strap, lightly put it to the side. That way the lace on whatever side the strap is on could easily just hang over it like that without any problems. And there you have it.
One word away from being higher than the atmosphere. No man but God, and that's barely. Loyal to the fame and to the money whom I married. I rap like Bruce Fight, it's hard to compare me. I might be too nice for y'all to act scary. I'm very sure I'm more than you can fathom. I spit acid, all the shit that you can't imagine. Pen and pad and paper darkening from the ashes of raw classes. Class act but full of madness. I heard the early bird gets the work.
Not gonna lie, I probably should have ended like this. That way I didn't have to redo it after I'm done with this video. But hey, it is what it is. For anybody that wants a more clean look with their shoe, I got you. Just tuck the laces in. So after I remove the laces, I'm going to basically tighten up the rest of the shoe. Let me undo the strap. So just like how I did this first eyelet over under, I'm gonna do this last one over under as well. And tuck the lace into the shoe. Same thing on the other side. Tuck it behind the shoe. And then once again, lightly put the strap onto the shoe. There you have it. So for anybody that wants to keep their KD4s simple from a casual standpoint, there you go, a nice tuck. Now, if you enjoy content like this and want to see more, this is definitely the place for you. I do other sneaker videos, clothing videos, lacing videos, and yeah, anything else relating to sneakers or clothing content, it's all here on the channel. I'd really appreciate it if y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. The grind is not stopping. Comment down below which lacing style was your favorite, and I hope all of y'all have an amazing day. Stay safe and see you next time.